Wow. Welcome back, Spencer fam. We are back with another video, another product review. And today we are going to be showing you how to use hair steamer Byedryhair. Little Miss Elissia was gifted this off of her Instagram. And I know what you're thinking. Would a 1-year-old really need to steam their hair? Is it safe? How do you use it? And we will be answering all of those questions in today's video. Stay tuned. Here we have a manual that comes in the packet. As you can see, when we open this up, it gives us a step-by-step on how to use the Byedryhair hair steamer. Starting with, wash your hair with your shampoo, rinse precisely, and rub a conditioner, oil, or mask into your scalp. Today's mask of choice, Olaplex. Today I'm mixing a deep conditioning mask and a leave-in conditioner. This is not mandatory. You do not have to use these specifically, but this is what works well on our hair, and this is what I'm going to try on Elissia's hair. So we'll see how that works out. I usually use a dime-sized amount of product in Elissia's hair. I rub it in and make sure that I start from roots to ends, making sure that the product is distributed evenly. I then add a little bit more of the product just to make sure that it takes in areas that I didn't reach the first time around. The amount of hair oil or conditioning mask that you choose to use in your hair will be determined on the length of your hair. We'll now section off the hair to make sure that each section takes evenly. Keeping in mind that Elissia's hair has been washed and conditioned. Perfect, looking great guys. The wait is finally over. Now it's time to get our Byedryhair steamer and check out these results. If you've been watching the video until this far, the wait is finally over. Let's go, friends. This part was a little tricky, but we figured it out. Awesome, we finally got the plastic cap on. I just want to point out that this is a European make, but it does come with an adapter, which is awesome. You don't have to be inconvenienced in any way. What I love about this product is that you can use it on low or high. Both settings were safe for Elissia and for myself. That's it. There we go. Wait. Alright, Spencer fam, there you have it. Elissia's hair looks fabulous. It is not dry at all. It took 15 minutes. It was safe to use. She didn't complain or touch the cap at all. That was one of my main concerns, if it was going to heat up too much for her, and of course I would take it off in that case. They do advise that you rinse your hair with cool or cold water. We aren't going to do that case. I love the way it looks and feels. It is perfect and ready for styling. Thank you for watching, Spencer fam. This was very fun to record. Be sure to check out our description area where I will link all products used and where you can purchase one of these for yourself. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell. We will see you in the next episode.